Yo, what's up everybody? I've got something for you today which is all your fault. So if this turns out terrible, it's all your fault. This is the most stress-free video I've ever had, because if this sucks, I just get to blame all my subscribers, which is all I've ever really wanted to do. You'll see behind me, I have the E36. We're doing some E36 bits today. And a little while ago, I uploaded a poll to my Twitter, and I said, yo, what color wheels should I do my wheels? And nearly all of you voted for fluorescent pink. So, at least it's gonna look like every other E36 at Drift Day, so that's kind of cool, I guess. Fitting in time, I've been to Halfords today and bought a lot of different stuff. They only had 2 cans of fluorescent pink, but I am gonna still try and make this work in a way that you guys will be happy. Got all the other stuff I need in there, like sanding stuff and all that malarkey. So, I also want to give you an update on the car. So, oh god, this is gonna be cool. Where we're at on the car, you will see behind me, we have got it lowered. We've got the E40, and they are lowered on yellow speed coilovers, the yellow speed racing coilovers. Absolutely wicked bit of kit for the money, love them. We've got a hub kit that has been shortened. We've got E46 underarms, so that's what, they're a little bit wider on the front. We have got Recaro seat, we've got some dodgy steering wheel, and we've painted it matte black. We've got the M Sport body kit on it, need to finalise that, but for now, we're okay. I will do a full update video on this vehicle very, very soon, so make sure you subscribe for that. And it will be quite good. I'll go into much more detail on where we're at with the vehicle. And I would really like to get this thing ready for some drifts. The beauty of this vehicle is that I am completely unprecious with it. It cost me £0. In fact, it owes me probably about minus £2,500. That's the way I look at this thing. So we're gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna get some other people that you may know involved in this, and I'm gonna teach them to drift. I'm gonna get some people you won't know involved and take them drifting and have some fun with them in this. Because this car can get shagged. I honestly don't care. It's going to be fantastic. The goal today is to get this car jacked up, wheels off, prepped, and start painting them. Even if I have to come back another night and finish it. I also need to figure out a way to get that rear bumper to stay on properly, because the brackets are all broke. So we're gonna just probably drill and cable tie it, but it's a drift car, so that's what we're allowed to do. Santapod are finally back open. I mean, I'm in no way linked up with Santapod, but I truly believe we need to keep some venues that are gracious enough to let us drift there open. So there is 2 direct dates available this month. If this video goes live in enough time, I'll have linked them down below. Please buy some tickets. Please support this place. We need this place. And I'm going to also be trying my best to get this ready for the ones that will hopefully be next month, because there's no way I'm going to have this car ready by the 22nd. Today's the 16th. Can we get it ready? We'll find out, won't we? Before we jump into that, I've knocked some money off of all of the snapbacks and hoodies. So the remaining sizes left, go grab them, because I'm about to restock. And once they're done, these ones aren't come back for a while. So it'd be great if you go show a little bit of support. 61.com. I'll love you for that. Anyway, let's get this car and get it up in the air. So with E36s, you can buy these super handy little jack stand tools. They're literally just like a solid piece of metal. You could probably even make one of these, just a few bits of steel rounded off with the slit in. They fit in here, they fit in here really nice. You just pop out the little cap on the side skirt and you insert that in there. Once you can find the hole, that's what you do. And we put it in like that. And then voila, we can just do this, super easy. And even if the car's really rusty like this old girl, we can still jack it up safely, which is great. You see why I need to do these arches ASAP. Rocky. Another cool little mod to consider are extended studs in the wheels. It means you can fit proper lug nuts, which means you can just whack them out with your iron hell gun and crack on with your day instead of having to worry about them stupid bolts. So yeah, lovely old job. I think if nothing else, this image right here shows you how important a good set of fitting wheels are. These wheels cost me £200. The Style 66s, found them on Facebook, really nice chap in London had them, and just, they transform a vehicle. Look, we can go around here. Just a nice set of wheels. They're nothing special, they're just OEM 5 Series wheels, M Sport 5 Series wheels. They just look so good. And we're about to ruin them by painting them pink. As you can tell, I'm really excited about this one. I think it will look good though. I do believe once they're on, and my prejudices against this colour are put to behind me, it's gonna look great. We'll wait and see, won't we? I also need to do the arches, and I'm only putting the wheels on now just in case my dad needs his Chevy back in, because I've got the Chevy out of the way to do this tonight. Let's crack on, shall we? Shall I get the other wheels off and just blast them all at the same time? I think we're probably gonna have to clean them up a little bit because they're a little bit shit. But I bought some stuff in preparation to help get into these little crevices. So we might not even need to do that if we're sanding it down. We'll see. This is going to take some time, so to save yourself going to sleep through this video and my camera from dying, I'll catch you once I've done the vast majority of this shit. One wheel, just here, all rubbed down, so we need to kind of like prep it for paint, really. I forgot how long refurbing wheels takes. I forgot how long this is going to take, so I'm probably not going to get it all done tonight, but we'll get one done for sure and then come back and do the rest. Oh my god, this is so long. Yeah, the main thing I need to finish up is make sure my dad's car's back in there at night, so that's no problem. So, what I have here is panel wipe. This is what you use to prep cars' panels for paint, before you lay the paint down, and I have lost all of my panel wipe pads. So what I'm going to use is an old microfiber, which is probably not the correct thing to be using. This stuff is savage, always wear gloves. This is not good for the environment, this stuff, so, but it's very good for when you're painting stuff. I'm also using this Iron Hell air compressor to blow away a lot of the shit, just so it's done and dusted and we ain't got to worry. Let's lay down some primer, shall we? Yeah, cheers, bro. Cheers, mate. Taped up the wheel with this sticky tape that I found on the shelf, and it turns out it's like the stickiest tape I've ever touched in my life. So this is going to be really lame to get that off, and it's going to leave loads of residue. So tomorrow, when I come back to finish this all, I'm going to try and find a pack of cards to do it the way that I know how. I've also wrapped up those in detailing tape, just so we don't ruin them, so they'll still have the M Sport stuff, and the air valve will be there still, all nice and lovely. We're not going to do the inside of the barrels because it's just way too long. So let's start painting.
I can be a midnight lover. I can be a midnight lover. I can be a midnight lover. I can be your midnight.
Wow. Crikey. Oh my god. Okay, so that is the first layer down. I'm glad we managed to get at least the first coat down on a set on one of the wheels. I'm gonna have to come back and smash these ones out tomorrow. At least I know how long that's roughly taken me. It's taken quite a long time to do that, but I think it's gonna be worth it in the end. I mean, they are a potent set of wheels. And I mean, I can't really talk. I like fluorescent yellow. I think once it's had a few more layers of that down, I'm gonna have to go and buy more cans of this. So I'm gonna have to do a few round trips to Halford tomorrow afternoon, I think, because they only had this 2 cans of this in. I'll try the ones in Ipswich instead. No, it's gonna be so crap. Never mind, you guys chose this. This is all on you. It's not on me. When people say, why does it suck? I'm gonna be like, because you clicked subscribe and chose to do what you did. So anyway, I'll catch you shortly. So, we're back. We are back and it is the next day. I have been out and done some more shopping at my favourite place, which is Halfords apparently at the moment. And I also forgot these initially. I just had to run back and get these from the house. I found these last night. There's some playing cards that I have never even opened, you know, because playing cards are for people with friends for the most part. And anyway, we're going to crack on with the wheels today and hopefully make these look fantastic. Where is my little bag of joy? So I've been up to Halfords. Got stuff and things and stuff to throw away here. We've got more stuff and things over here to hopefully get the wheels looking lovely. We've cleared the yard, so there's nothing that's going to get any overspray. Yeah, it should be excellent. I'm very, very excited. So, let's crack on with these wheels, shall we? It's going to be a long old afternoon, but it's going to be worth it. Let's go. First port of call, though, let's see how much this tape has ruined these tyres, because this is so goopy and sticky. Oh, no. Tape was not the best idea, Adam. Oh, we've ruined it already. It's not stuck at all. Adam, no. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. I think it looks really orange in the camera. But in real life, it is very bright pink. Almost like a bright peach. It's come out as, sorry, I'm just getting this thing off my mouth. There we go, so, which is annoying. It's very hard to get it to layer up, but that's about as good as it's gonna get. So we'll let that dry, start prepping these other wheels, and hopefully have a full product by the end of today. So that is the primer down on wheel number 2. I mean, these aren't gonna look great, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it is just for the bash car, so it's not the end of the world. And you guys did pick the worst color ever to paint them, so it is what it is. Also, we've got parts arrived for this. I say parts, the metal's arrived for this now. I'm still looking for front wings and rear lights. If anyone's got any old ones you don't mind donating, that'd be amazing. If it's in blue, that'd be even better. But worst case, we'll run some non-blue ones. And rear lights, I'm open to any. If anybody has any, I don't care. I'm not picky. Okay, this one's actually, I've lacquered this one now. I've done three layers of the pink, and I've also lacquered, hello Finn, I've lacquered the one outside as well. And the colour looks so good once the lacquer's on and dry. So now I know that. I'm actually really, I actually really like it. I'm shocked. I really, really like it. Yeah. So cool. Let's do the last two now. Just hit this wheel with the lacquer. God, they actually look quite good, even though I've done fuck all prep on this one. Unbelievable, really. One more wheel to go, boys. Let's get it done. I've done two lots of white primer on the wheel. This is the final wheel, so I'm glad we've got enough material to do this with. Okay, so it's time. Okay, so it's time to put the final touches on the wheels, which means centre caps back in and removing the tape that we put on. Let's hope the paint is dry. As always, we need this. Boosty, baby. Absolutely essential to me. Very grateful to have that. Thank you very much, Iron Hell. Come on, Finn. In. Get in. Come on back. Good lad. It's got that keyless driving setup like every new BMW. Way ahead of its time, this whip. Nice. I wish we could rip a fat Bernie in this, but I know my dad would actually kill me if I did that. Wouldn't he, Finn? Wow, aren't you quite the sizable little bastard? I'm not gonna squish it. It's got to keep the spiders alive. In the air, gun is ready. Got the 40-minute quick charge on these batteries, they're fucking sick. So what we're gonna do is whip these wheels off, see if these pink wheels look turd. Let's go! Alright. I'll give you this one. I'll give you this one. You guys win. It looks sick. Oh my goodness me. And there we have it. Oh, it doesn't look as good in the camera, man. You should see this in real life. Oh, they pop so hard. Wow. Oh my God, I can't believe we've turned this car, which owes me 300 quid now, maybe 400 quid, into this. I can't believe it. It looks so good. 400 quid. Wow, dude, it looks sick. So there we have it. Your choice of wheel colour. My last, I don't know, it took me about 8 hours to do that. It took so long, but overall, I'm actually stoked with it. I think it looks so sick. So thank you all for voting on the Twitter poll and making me go for this, because I 100% would have done in fluorescent yellow. I like fluorescent pink, who would have knew? Anyway, I want to thank you all so much. Oh, come on, this one has got to deserve of what I would like on here, surely. This is a team effort between me and you guys. So if you're new, can you hit the subscribe button? I'm trying so hard to get to 100k on here. It'd mean a lot. So if you could just subscribe, join the team, it really means a lot to me. That'd be amazing. Wow. So there we are. Ruined me out as well. I'm gonna have to go pick myself a new one of these up from 621.com and get £5 off on the website. Sick. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next video. We've got so much to do in such little time, so you're gonna get lots of content. I guess that's cool for you guys, right? Well, that's obviously if you like my videos. If you don't like them, you're still here, then I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace!